One business friend recently called me and said that, Murali, I really got inspired by one of your video where you spoke about reading 200 pages every single day, and I also started reading a lot of self-development books. But after 3 days, I was not able to read the book. I got bored, I got tired, I started yawning. How are you doing it? So when I was talking to him, I found out the way in which he was reading was wrong. The place he was sitting and reading was also not appropriate. Ladies and gentlemen, there are different energies and vibrations depending upon the environment where you live, where you stand, where you sit, and what kind of activities we all do. So as I was talking to him, he said that every day, okay, once he finishes all the work, before he goes to sleep, he goes and rests in his bed, and in a lying down posture, he used to read the book. Okay, after 2-3 pages, that's it maximum he was able to read. That sparked me this thought. That's what I'm going to share with you. Why? Because where you do what you do in your home, that matters a lot with respect to your energy, your vibrations, and your output also. Look at it. If you are going to lie down on a bed and start reading a serious book, okay, a self-development, self-improvement book, what will happen? Okay, because a bed is not designed for that. That energy, that ambience of the bedroom and the bed, it has a different purpose and objective itself. So that's the reason it's very, very important that whatever job or whatever activity we are involved in, we need to have dedicated spots, dedicated location, even in our home. For example, if you really are serious in upgrading yourself and you want to read more books in your life, then you need to sit in a proper table and chair. A proper seating, upright posture is also required if it's a serious book. Okay, if it's just a very casual pleasure reading novel, it's fine, you can just relax and do it. But if it's a really serious stuff that you're writing your goals, you're doing your to-do list, and you're planning for your life, that can't be done on the bed. Yes or no? Similarly, when you're cooking, you have to focus on cooking. Okay. Similarly, in many of the houses in India, you will find a separate place for doing prayers and puja. It's a dedicated spot over there. Will you do anything else over there? No, we don't do that, right? So similarly, even for reading, there has to be a specific spot in your home. Make it as a very, very important place. It's a sacred place for you. Thereby, that particular habit, that particular ritual can be cultivated. When we do a right activity in a wrong location in our home, that also spoils our mood, our energy, and our focus. Okay, so this is all about this particular short video where I wanted to share with you that what you do, where you do in your home matters a lot. Okay, depending upon the type of activity, choose the right spot in your home. Thereby, you take advantage of the energy and the ambience and the environment around you. Go ahead, have a dedicated space for each and every activity in your life. Thereby, you take full advantage of the environment around you. Thanks for watching this video. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Bye-bye.